Yes, so welcome everyone. My name is Markus, I'm from Aalborg University, and I will talk about my topic, which is from conventional towards energy optimized and smart buildings. And I will start with a little story about a house. And this is unfortunately not quite an energy efficient house. And actually it's also not alone with that. 75% of the EU building stock shares the same fate. But that house is special because that house is one of the lucky ones, one of the lucky fews that are actually renovated each year in the European Union. So are we already at the happy end? No, not quite yet, unfortunately, because that house is, as most buildings, going to use much more energy for space heating and domestic hot water after renovation than initially calculated. Now you might wonder, why is that? That is because of us people, us occupants. If not correctly taken into account, occupant behavior can dramatically offset energy renovation measures. But there will be a hero in my story. My hero, that's digitalization, or to be more precise, smart heat meter data. Probably all of you wonder now, what's smart heat meter data? Let me start with what's district heating. District heating, for those not familiar, you can imagine simplified. That's a centralized way of producing heat energy and distributing it to buildings. In the European Union, every building connected to such district heating must have, from 2027 on, what's called a smart heat meter. These smart heat meters simply record, among other things, the total energy used by that building from the district heating network. That's usually a combination of space heating and domestic hot water, and that's usually done on an hourly level. So how are we going to use that information to not only support building owners, but actually also support district heating companies? Well, we're going to start to analyze and extract information from the time series, that hourly time series representing the total energy use of the building. But we're going to also combine that with statistical information about the occupants and about the building itself. Using statistical methods and machine learning techniques, we're going to get a better understanding of why a building uses energy in the way it does, and we will be even able to detect unknown faults. Now, equipped with that knowledge, we're going to inform the building owners about how to best renovate their particular building and how to best operate in most efficient way their particular building. But that's not all. We are going to also inform the district heating utility companies about their customers, empowering them to run their district heating network in the most energy efficient way. So it's a win-win situation. We're going to save energy, we're going to save CO2, and we're going to pave the way for a greener and smarter future. Thank you very much.